Hello and welcome to DIY EV Mods. In this episode, we'll be putting some LED lights right here in my tail light. Previously, I thought this was a tail and stop, but when I was testing it, it turns out it's just a tail light. But since the tail light is going to be running all the time, it would be the first one that I would want to do to have less power be drawn from the 12-volt battery, which will soon be replaced with a lithium battery. So the first thing we do is lift the hatch like I already did, and then you've got this that you have to remove, and inside of there is a little black plastic that you just twist off. You might need to get like a pair of pliers in there if it's on really tight to get that out. Something like this. And then there's a second one of those up underneath here that you gotta take out. Then come back here and you got to give it a little bit of a tug, because there's also a retention right there where that piece goes into there. So then you want to look, okay, we're doing this bottom one here, so we're going to come around and we're going to see that it is this one right here that we're going to be taking out. So then you just turn that quarter of a turn clockwise, or counterclockwise, excuse me. And there you go, there's the bulb. So you just pop that out. Now I'm going to reach in, grab my new bulbs. These are bulbs that I bought off of Amazon. Okay, sorry about that, my phone cut out. In any case, I purchased these off of Amazon. I'll put a link for them in the description below. So you just pull one of these out, came nice and packaged in bubble wrap and everything. You just take that and you just pop that back down into place, if I can get it to line up. There we go. And when you're putting it back in, you want to make sure that you line that little tab up with that little flat mark in the housing. Just slide that back on, quarter of a turn clockwise, and it snaps right back in place. Then what you'll need to do is line your divot there back up with that, jiggle it a little bit. I'm gonna have to put my phone down so that I can get two hands on this thing. Okay, so now we got it all in there. Sorry you missed some of that, I had to put the phone down. Then we're just gonna grab these plastic pieces and we're just gonna screw them back in. Alright, and let's go turn on the lights. See what that looks like. And there we go. We have LED lights now. I think it looks really nice. I purchased the bright red ones That way, if anything ever happens to my lens here, I'll still be legal. The other side will go in the same, so I'm not going to bore you with recording that. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you'll be notified when videos are downloaded to YouTube. Thanks for watching.